Did you know that in 2020 alone, audiobook sales skyrocketed to over $1.3 billion? Crazy, right? But let me ask you this, are you really getting the most out of your audiobook experience? Hey there, audiobook lovers. Today, we're diving into some unbelievable audiobook hacks that you absolutely need to try right now. These tips can totally transform how you experience audiobooks, making them more enjoyable and engaging than ever before. So, buckle up, and let's jump right into it. Now, let's talk about some common struggles that many audiobook listeners face. First off, retention. You know that feeling when you zone out during a chapter and have no clue what just happened? Yeah, it happens to the best of us. Then there's pacing. Some narrators are just way too fast or way too slow, making it hard to keep up or stay engaged. And don't even get me started on choosing the right content. With so many options out there, how do you pick the perfect audiobook? These challenges can make it tough to fully enjoy your listening experience. Alright, let's explore some life-changing hacks to tackle these problems head-on. First up, adjusting your playback speed. Most audiobook apps allow you to speed up or slow down the narration. If the narrator is too slow for your taste, bump it up to 1.5x speed. If it's a complex story, try slowing it down a bit to really absorb the details. Next, let's talk about bookmarks. Use them. Most apps let you bookmark sections, so you can easily return to your favorite parts or recap what you've missed. Lastly, don't shy away from exploring unique genres. Try mixing up your usual picks with something unexpected, like memoirs, self-help, or even fantasy. You might just discover a new favorite. Now, here comes the ultimate hack that can really change the game: active listening. This means engaging with the content as you listen. Take notes, pause to reflect, or even discuss what you're listening to with friends or online communities. This level of engagement not only improves retention but also enhances your overall understanding of the material. Trust me, once you start doing this, you'll notice a massive difference in how much you enjoy and remember what you're listening to. So, to wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic audiobook hacks today. From adjusting playback speed and using bookmarks to actively engaging with the content, these tips can really elevate your audiobook experience. Don't let those common frustrations hold you back any longer. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your own audiobook hacks? Drop them in the comments below, and let's share some wisdom. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next video.